Great! Now you are ready for the next lesson. Preparing cleaning agents. Cleaners and sanitizers must be accurately measured and correctly prepared to ensure they are effective. Some of the items in your cabinet work as effective all-purpose cleaners and even cost cheaper than our favorite cleaning products. The following are cleaning agents that can be found and prepared at home in accordance with the manufacturer's instruction with the following specific purposes. Number 1. Kitchen counters, stoves, equipment, and the inside of refrigerator. So what you will need: 4 tablespoons baking soda, 1 quart warm water. So what you're going to do, just make a paste of baking soda and water and apply it with a damp cloth and rub gently in the direction of the metal's grain. Rinse and buff dry. For the greasy inner part of pans, so you will need peeled potato, baking soda, 3 to 4 dry tea bags. So procedures: peel off potato and cut it in half. Rub some baking soda over it. Scrub the pan with this mixture, holding on to the potato and rinse afterwards. You can also place 3 to 4 dry tea bags to cover the greasy spot. You will notice that the grease has slowly started coming off. For the outer part of pans and kettles, you will need water, 4 to 5 teaspoons baking soda, and for stubborn grease outside the pan, take another utensil bigger than the one you want to clean. Fill the larger utensil up with water and add 4 to 5 teaspoons of baking soda. Place the dirty utensil over this and let it boil for 30 minutes. And for the stainless steel utensils, so you just need lemon juice or white vinegar. Clean utensils using lemon juice if you are running out of time or ingredient. You can also spray some white vinegar on your steel utensils and rub it with a cloth in a circular motion. For the aluminum utensils, you will need 4 tablespoons white vinegar, 1 liter water. So just boil the mixture for about 10 minutes before cleaning utensils. And for the silver utensils, you will need 1 tablespoon salt, 1 tablespoon baking soda, and water. So what you will do, take a pan big enough to hold it, cover inside with aluminum foil, pour water into it, mix 1 tablespoon of salt and baking soda as baking soda removes the tarnish, and each sprinkle on the utensil. Put the silver utensils in this solution, cover it, and boil it for 3 to 4 minutes. Drain the water and clean the utensils in warm water. What you will do with the rusty kitchen knives? So you will need white vinegar or rotor oil. Apply the white vinegar or rotor oil on the rusty part of the kitchen knife and wipe it off generously with a cloth. And for the dish cleaner, you need 2/3 cup salt, 1 cup water, 1/2 cup white vinegar, 3 pieces lemon. So what you will need, or what are the procedures in making this dish cleaner? Cut the lemons into small pieces with the peel on. Mix them with salt in a blender. Add in the rest of the ingredients and blend well. Pour it over a pan and stir it on heat for 15 minutes with a wooden spatula. Pour it into a bowl and let it cool. And for the plastic containers, in order to remove odor, you will need 4 tablespoons baking soda and 1 quart warm water. So next thing you're going to do is to dissolve 4 tablespoons of baking soda in 1 quart of warm water. Immerse the container in this solution if it's small enough, or pour the mixture into the container, soaking for about 30 minutes or until the color disappears. Then rinse and dry. Now, in order to remove stains in the plastic containers, you will need 1 tablespoon liquid chlorine bleach and 1 cup water. Just mix a solution of 1 tablespoon liquid chlorine bleach per cup of warm water. Make enough so that when you pour it, it will cover the discolored portion of your container. Pour the solution into the container. If the lid is also stained, place it flat at the bottom of the sink and pour on more of the bleach mixture. Then, soak for about 30 minutes until clean. Wash the container and the lid in hot, soapy water and wipe dry. Now, you already know the different natural recipes of cleaning agents, no? That uses natural ingredients that can be found at home in order to clean specific kitchen tools and utensils and kitchen area. So your activity by group is you're going to select one recipe of natural cleaning agents to prepare and use it to clean the specific kitchen utensils, equipment, and kitchen area.